Like each member of your favorite band, we each play an important role in the repair process. And without each of us, we can't properly repair a vehicle. Only when the whole shop comes together and we're all playing off the same sheet can we actually make music together. And if you think about it like this, your customer and their repair is that song. Just like a band's sheet music, we need a process to make sure we're all playing the right notes at the right time. Where other production management tools miss the mark, Vaultoniq composes a complete production plan, offering a score for repair facilities to follow. That's because this tool was built by collision repair professionals for collision repair professionals. It tightens up your band, and that's what makes this tool a Collision Hub cool tool. I'm going to be honest, I don't usually get too excited about shop management software. I'm more of a new hand tool, new welder kind of guy. But Vaultoniq isn't just another production management software tool. It's a complete AI-powered and customizable shop production solution for the entire staff, from the estimator to the technicians, all the way through the post-repair inspection team. This cool tool will revolutionize your collision repair process management. It's pretty awesome. Let's take a look at just a few of the features Vaultoniq offers. Let's start with scheduling. One of the worst parts about scheduling is scheduling and then rescheduling when things go awry. And let's face it, in today's collision repair world, things going awry have become way too common. The AI scheduling is the part that keeps the beat in the Vaultoniq system. When I say scheduling, I'm not just talking about a calendar function to book drop-off appointments. This system actually learns the efficiency of every technician down to the severity, vehicle manufacturer, and even the day of the week. From there, it takes every estimate or supplement and builds a production schedule for the entire week. It chooses the right technician for the right vehicle and puts them in the right order to get the vehicle out of the shop as fast as possible, all without lifting a finger. That's the power of AI. Vaultoniq can build an entire week schedule for every car, every technician, and every day in less than a minute. You'll never have to schedule another car again. Imagine the time that will save your production managers, who can now spend their time managing your team out in the shop. And if a repair runs into production problems, simply block the task and the scheduler reevaluates the schedule and adapts in real time, choosing the next best task for that tech while keeping production goals in mind. It checks its progress every few minutes and makes corrections automatically without a production manager sitting at a calendar trying to modify the entire production process. This eliminates the need for the production managers rearranging schedules, and it keeps the technicians working, not wandering around the shop or out in the parking lot looking for their next car. Technicians access the system via an app that shows them their schedule, which parts have been received and where they're located, their efficiency, and for flat rate technicians, how much they're earning in real time while clocked into any RO. Another thing I love about Vaultoniq is its AI-powered customer relations management feature. Not only does it offer me great lead generation tool integration, it also allows me to leverage its AI capabilities to automatically update my customers with tailored emails or text messages. It can add a personal touch while communicating with my customers with minimal, if any, input on my part. The tool has me covered. It also keeps a timestamped record of every interaction I have with my customers, including photo and document uploads. This saves me a ton of time versus pulling files, emails, and photos from multiple locations, if I can even find the files I'm looking for. File structure has never been my strong suit, so this feature is incredibly helpful to me. Think of the time that I'll cut out of the front office. And when it comes to finances, Vaultoniq can tell me where I'm at and where I'm headed. It allows me to work smarter by showing me AI predictive finances like a crystal ball. Since it knows which vehicles are in production and their status, it shows me my revenues and profit today and where we'll be over the next couple of weeks, keeping me on track without ever touching a calculator or a spreadsheet. It also integrates with QuickBooks, and I know that's important to a lot of shops. Since all this data and communication is happening in one platform, always in real time and accessed through tools used by everyone in the shop, you can see how a system like this can really tighten up the band. And the team at Vaultoniq will continue to add new features to the tool in the future, maybe even including some Collision Hub features for an encore. These are just a few of the features of this cool tool. You really need to schedule a demo with the Vaultoniq team to get the full details. You'll be blown away. To schedule a demo, visit vaultoniq.com.